If you are still doing these tasks manually in 2026, you are wasting time. These free AI tools can save your hour in every single week. To see that AI, we need to go Chrome browser. So here is our ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is just for chatting. It's not. You can use it writing professional email, create YouTube script, build resume, brainstorm business ideas, and even explain complex topics in simple terms. So here I ask ChatGPT to give a professional email. It will give me in Bengali and I want to eat English. That's why I type here in English, and then it will give me some type of email, what kind of email I want. That I select marketing email, and then it will provide me an professional marketing email. You can make email like me. And then I ask, write for me a YT content script, and then it will provide me a professional YT content script. It will give the script with hook and intro, and it was step by step. You can generate more YT script like me, and it will provide a well organized YT script what you can use in your YT video content really. And number two is Canva AI. Canva is no longer just a design tool. With Canva AI, you can generate thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and short videos in 1 minute. No design skills, no expensive software, just type what you want and Canva does the rest. You can see that here is more options. You can generate images and thumbnails for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram posts. You can design all things with your own mind. And number three, if you use Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Sheet, this one is huge. Google Gemini help you summarize long email, write document faster, and analyze data directly inside Google Tools. It's built right into the Google ecosystem, which make it incredibly convenient. I asked it for a image generation prompt, and it will provide me a image generation prompt, and then I ask for a image and it will give a unseen image. So as you can see that image, and if you like this video, and then subscribe my channel, and bye bye.